Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install EverShop on your computer step by step. If you're looking for an open source e-commerce platform that can help you build an online store for your business, EverShop is your answer. It's easy to use, fast, and has all the features you need to take your business to the next level. Let's get started and see how simple it is to set up an online store with EverShop. I am opening the EverShop homepage, and let's go to the document and see the architecture overview of the EverShop platform. As you can see, EverShop was developed based on Node.js and it uses Postgre for database storage. Now let's check the system requirements. We need to have Node.js 14 or higher, NPM 7 or higher, and PostgreSQL 13 or higher. So the first thing we need to do is install the Node.js and npm. You can do it by downloading the Node.js from the Node.js homepage and installing it on your local machine. It should be easy and quite straightforward. Make sure that you use Node.js 14 or higher as the EverShop's documentation mentioned. The same for PostgreSQL. You can download it from the Postgres homepage and get it installed on your local machine easily. And of course, make sure you have PostgreSQL 13 or higher. Now let's follow the installation guide provided by EverShop and proceed with the installation of EverShop on our local machine. Although EverShop offers several installation methods, in today's tutorial we will use the manual method. To begin, we need to create a new folder that will serve as the installation directory for EverShop packages. I have already created one and I am now opening it using VS Code. To start a new Node.js project, first navigate to the directory where you want to create it. Then type npm init in the terminal to initialize the project. You can simply press enter to accept the default options or modify them later according to your needs. The next step is to install the EverShop package by running the command npm install at evershop/evershop. After the installation is completed, open the package.json file and add some commands from EverShop. The first command we need is the setup command. This command will create the database tables and create a first admin user for us. The next command we need is the build command. This command builds the project and makes it ready for production. And the start command starts the project in production mode. Alright, the next step we will do is run the setup command, but before doing that we need to have an empty database created. Let's create a new database using PostgreAdmin. Good. Now let's go back to the terminal and run the setup command. During the setup command, you will be asked for some of the information like the database connection and your first admin user information. In our case, it is on localhost, so we can simply press enter to accept the default option for the database connection. We only need to provide the correct database name that we just created. For admin user, let's give it a name, an email, and a password and hit enter. Great. The setup command is successfully executed. Now let's go ahead and run the build command to build our shop for production. And this time I will add the skip minify flag to speed up the building process. Great, the building process is completed, and now let's start our shop by running the start command. Cool, let's check out the front store by visiting localhost 3000. And we can access the admin panel by visiting localhost 3000/admin. By default, the setup command will create some example products for us. Let's try to modify one with some pictures and variants. Nice. Let me go ahead and configure the shipping as well as the payment and then try to place an order. Let's say we ship to America, so I will go ahead and create a shipping zone for America. And now, I will create a shipping method. Let's name it Express. And then let's say we charge a $20 shipping fee per order. Now let's go to the payment setting. By default, EverShop offers several payment providers like Cash on Delivery, PayPal, and Stripe. For now, let's enable the Cash on Delivery method. Now, let's go back to the storefront and place an order. And that's it. You have successfully installed EverShop on your local machine and have a fully functional store ready to use. We hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. In the upcoming videos, we will show you step by step how to develop your theme to customize your storefront. You can also develop a new extension to add new features to your online store. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.